Flipping through my best friend's phone, just looking for a picture from a rodeo show. When I stopped on a smile I had never seen, sunlight on her hair, soft and sweet as a dream. Didn't know her name, didn't know her town, but my heart kicked in like a bucking bronco down. And I laughed, said, "Who's this angel man?" He said, "That's my cousin from Birmingham." It was love at first shot, didn't take much, just a photo in the light, and I felt that rush. I said, "I gotta meet her, can you make that call?" He said, "When she's single, I'll tell her." Y'all didn't plan to fall, didn't even try, but one still picture lit up my sky. Now I'm standing here holding her hand, from a screen to my heart, wasn't part of the plan. She thought it was funny that I'd fall that fast, but we talked for hours and the time just passed. She said, "You're kinda bold, but I like that too." And I knew right then what I had to do. Drove down south that Saturday with a wild bouquet and words to say. Her front porch light was the softest glow, and her yes came quiet, but it stole the show. It was love at first shot, didn't take much, just a photo in the light, and I felt that rush. Now I'm sitting on her porch watching stars above, holding on tight to a brand new love. Didn't plan to fall, didn't even try, but one still picture lit up my sky. Now I'm here with her, she's more than I dreamed. A photo led me to everything I need. Funny how fate can find its way through pixels and prayers on an ordinary day. Some love begins with sparks and fire, mine began with a smile